welcome to PromptWare, your hub for smart tech and AI-powered tools. Today, we'll show you how to create a complete e-commerce website using AI. No coding, no design experience, just the power of AI tools. Start by planning your website with ChatGPT. Ask it, create a structure for a fashion e-commerce site with product categories, about us, contact, and blog. It'll give you the full layout in seconds: homepage, product pages, user login, cart, and more. You can also ask ChatGPT to write your About Us content or product descriptions. Just describe your business. Now, use durable.co, an AI website builder. Just answer a few questions about your business, and Durable generates a modern website, complete with branding, sections, and images, in under a minute. Or go with Wix AI. Click Start with AI and describe your online store. Wix builds it instantly with product pages, payment integrations, and even mobile-optimized views. Next, let's add products. Durable and Wix both let you upload product images, prices, stock, and categories easily. Enable shopping cart, payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, and shipping options. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate catchy product titles, compelling descriptions, and even SEO keywords. Don't have product photos? No problem. Use DALL or Midjourney to generate high-quality product images. You can also use Canva Magic Studio to generate backgrounds and mock-ups automatically. Now, let's bring in customers. Use copy.ai to generate ad copy for social media and Google Ads. Set up email marketing with MailChimp AI. It suggests email sequences, headlines, and sends campaigns based on customer behavior. Preview your site. Test it on mobile and desktop. Make sure checkout, login, and payments work. Publish it in one click. You can manage orders, customer messages, and traffic insights from the dashboard. And that's it. With tools like ChatGPT, Durable, Wix AI, and Canva, anyone can launch a pro-level e-commerce site, no coding required. Let us know what kind of website you want to build next, or if you want a full tutorial on a specific platform. Want AI to manage your store too? Check out AI tools like Zeno for inventory and Tidio AI for live chatbots. As AI technology evolves, the possibilities for e-commerce are expanding. In the near future, AI could potentially personalize user experiences even more intelligently, recommend products with higher accuracy, and streamline back-end operations like never before. Imagine virtual reality shopping experiences powered by AI, where customers can walk through a virtual store and interact with products in real time. To give you a glimpse into the trends, we've brought in an expert. Let's hear from Jamie Lee, a leading e-commerce strategist, on where the industry is headed. Thanks. AI and augmented reality are definitely at the forefront. They're transforming how we interact with brands and set new standards for customer engagement, Jamie Lee shares. The key is to integrate these technologies in a way that enhances customer experience, not complicates it. Simplicity and innovation go hand in hand. Like and subscribe to PromptWare.